everybody, it's Mr. Andrews with Mason here. And before the quarantine and all this, one of my stress relievers has been gardening. And this year we've been getting plants ready to go out in the garden. It's been a little too cold to put stuff out, but in a couple weeks we're going to do a little video for you guys on planting our garden and how to take things up, and there's Mason there. And before we do that though, I want to give you a quick little tour as to what we prepared to put in the garden here in just a little bit. So here we have all the seeds that we started, plus a couple that have already been planted. We have onions, which are actually already out in the garden. We have lettuce and Brussels sprouts, Roma tomatoes, peas, which are in the garden, pickles, beans, which will be planted in just a little bit, and we'll see that in a couple weeks. We have cherry tomatoes. We have the mortgage lifter tomato, peppers, zucchini, carrots, which are already planted. I have some in there, and then cucumbers. So let's take a look with what we have. Oh, I forgot. We also have potatoes, which has already been planted last week. We've planted these all from little seeds, and we've been having them under the grow light. And in just a little bit, we're going to be putting these plants out into the garden. Right here, the big ones that you see, these are our zucchini. We have our pickles and cucumbers over here, our cherry tomatoes back there, and then these big ones here in the blue cups are the Roma tomatoes, and then in the red cups we have the mortgage lifter tomatoes. So in just a little bit, we're going to go out to the garden when the temperature warms up, and we're going to plant all of these, and then maybe in the summer we'll get a chance to see the harvest and see the things that we got. And my buddy Mason here is going to help along with the planting. So we'll see you soon, guys. Hope you're staying safe and healthy. Bye.